Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna presenting about the Lab 7 HTTP web server with AJAX. And from the introductions, an objective is to understand and what is the AJAX is and how to use it and how to combine the HTTP website server with the IoT or project. About the component, uh, also use Arduino IDE and ESP32. And for this lab, I'm gonna doing the exercise, three exercise. From the first one is change the pooling interval from the 1 second into the 500 milliseconds. From this exercise is very quite simple because we just change the set interval into the from this one is from my code is about 5 seconds or 5,000 millisecond. I just have to change into the 500 millisecond. That means it will be more frequencies to get not get to pull the state every 5 seconds per connected clients. That means it will use more CPU and network usage for the ESP32, and that was really quite simple exercise. So the code is not quite different from the base one, and from the serial monitor is the same ones is showing the IP and showing that the client is on the server or not and pull the state every 500 milliseconds. And the website, the web page server is still the same. For about another exercise, the second exercise is to add the min max and moving average to the JSON output. From this one is quite uh, quite have to apply some means and max and moving average to the JSONs. That means we have to set the min and max and average. For this one, I'm gonna design it into be the binary. Like min is 0 and max is 1, and the average is the average time that the LED that get fed or return state on the server. So this one, the code is kind of change a lot because we have to set the means value, max value, and average value, and have to fix some of the HTML a little bit. And from the code, as you can see, this one is yeah, we have to compute the average too because we have the average value, and then we have to update the min max value from into from the server into the client. And this was the output of it. As you can see, in the left side, it says when I didn't uh, check or toggles the buttons, the average is going to zeros because I didn't send any state to the server. Uh, so the means is zeros. And for the right pictures is the toggle ones, and I toggle it about 5 seconds because so in 5 seconds that means the will send the state 5 seconds, and the average go to the max one because it have a time. But if I start to toggles and untoggles toggle and toggles uh, quite a lot of times, the average will change. And for the last one is the for add simple LED control buttons, and that's post to the API LED state and reflect status on the page. And this one is quite simple too because uh, we just have to add the post method on the code, and then just change the toggle button into the on button and off button. and from the code is quite simple like this, and for the output is kind of be the same. Like you have the on turn on button and turn off button. If you put turn on, it will on. If you put turn off, it will off in the technically, and it's work. And that's all for the lab 7. Thank you.